Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बहुत ही मस्त फेस्टिव बैग्स एंड फेस्टिव फुटवेयर के बारे में। तो बहुत टाइम हो गया था अमेजोन से ना मैंने बहुत सारे बैग्स हॉल करे हैं, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू ट्राई एनी क्लचेज एंड आई थॉट दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम टू ट्राई सम एथनिक बैग्स एंड फुटवेयर. सो या, विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. So you all know that Lavi is such a good brand when it comes to bags, right? Like from ages. So they have like really nice collection of ethnic bags also, and I was impressed. So this is the first clutch that I got. It's in like copper gold combination. As you can see, the branding is gold. Now you just open it. You can either of course carry it like this with your ethnic outfits, or you can just use this chain that it comes with. So it's a pretty long chain, तो तुम इसको easily sling bag की तरह भी use कर सकते हो. I think जो ethnic clutches होते हैं, if you carry it like a sling, they look really chic with your Indo-Western outfits. But otherwise, if you're wearing a sari, then I would suggest don't use a chain. Otherwise, yeah, suits and all के साथ you can use a chain. It looks pretty cute. This is how the clutch is from the inside. It has this flap pocket and the normal compartment, but yeah, I think the quality is really good and it just looks really classy. It's super basic, but the pattern that it has just makes it like classy. I really like it. Now that we are talking about Lavi, let me show you another bag. Look at this, you guys. This is so cute. Yes, ये पोटली स्टाइल में है, it still has some kind of a structure. It's थोड़ा rose gold में है, but इसमें थोड़ा सा silver touch भी आ रहा है, and then you have the hardware in gold. I really liked it, and it is quite spacious actually. If you just let me just take this out. See, now you can see it has like a lot of space to store a lot of your things. में retouch के लिए makeup वगैरह रखना होता है, so I think it's a super cute and practical bag when it comes to ethnic wear, and it's just a nice clutch, you guys. I really like this bangle style. कैरी करने वाला जो ऐसे क्लचेस होते हैं ना, मुझे बहुत ही मस्त लगते हैं. I mean, you can just carry it like this and you are good to go. I absolutely love it, and I think it's quite practical as well. Love the colors. Just see the close up, it's so pretty. It's super pretty. I think it would make such a great gift as well. So yeah, this one is highly recommended. Okay, so the next ethnic clutch that I have is this one, you guys. It's again super pretty. इसका जो base है वो cream base है, and then it has some embroidery work going on. Look at the top of it. It has this stone button here, and you just open it. It's like your normal clutch, and तुम्हें इसके साथ detachable belt भी मिलती है. जो belt का size है, it's again the same one as Lavi, and I love this part of it. ये भी detachable है वैसे तो, but it has this pearl strap going on, so it's gonna make every ethnic outfit really classy. I think it's just gonna give it a nice touch, and I just love it. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at the work going on. And even if you just wanna, carry it like a clutch with your saris and all, it's gonna look really pretty and classy. And the colors are very subtle on it. तो तुम्हारे किसी भी outfit के साथ ये तुम चला सकते हो. तो काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे ये. Next clutch that I have is again so cute, you guys. This is giving very vintage vibes to me. Look at the work that is going on. It is so pretty. बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है मुझे ये, एंड आई थिंक ऐसे हमारी ग्रैंड माँ और उनके पास नानी दादी के पास ये उसी स्टाइल में है, बट देन अगेन इट्स back and it's evergreen and it's always gonna look really nice. This is from a brand called Lino Peros, and they do make really nice bags. This is the strap that it comes with, again the pearl strap. I just think that it's a very classy portly bag, especially with the embroidery work going on here. I love it. I don't know about you, but मुझे ना white और beige और off white tones बड़ी अच्छी लगती है when it comes to festive wear. It just very gives calming and peaceful vibes. And then उसके साथ अगर हम ये बैग कैरी करेंगे तो कितना मस्त लगेगा, नहीं? बहुत ही क्लासी लगेगा। इट हैज़ माई हेयर ऑल ओवर। आई जस्ट वॉश्ड माई हेयर so you can understand, but yeah, it's super cute. Okay, so I have a few ethnic footwear. First is this one. This one is again very basic. It's like nude pink and dull gold का combination going on, and mostly मैंने बाटा से ही order किया है because it's a trusted brand again, and I just wanted the comfort in my ethnic footwear. So this is definitely gonna give me that. See, if I carry them together with any outfit, they're gonna look so cool, right? I mean, not cool, but super pretty, right? ये कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं साथ में because the colors are pretty similar. Like this one is in rose gold and ये भी ऐसा dull gold और pink में है. So I'm really glad that I got this, and काफी छोटू heels है इसकी, like 1 inch only. So it is gonna give you some height, but it's gonna be super comfortable. I think it's gonna look really nice with your suits and Indo-Western outfits. Next pair of heels that I got are actually wedges, you guys. बहुत ही time बाद मैंने कोई wedges purchase करे हैं, but these are really nice and काफ़ी मस्त इसका tan color है, and I really like this gold band going on. It's not very loud also, but it still has that, you know, gold ethnic touch to it. And the best part is इसको मैं पूरा दिन पहन सकती हूँ, ये इतना ज़्यादा comfortable है. मैंने try किया है इसको, आप try on भी देख सकते हो, but this one is really comfortable. So again, if you are looking for heels and you cannot do pencil heels or block heels even, then go for these wedges. It's gonna look really nice with your suits, and लहंगा में तुम्हें height भी मिल जाएगा. दिखते भी नहीं है लहंगाज में तो heels हम कुछ भी पहनते हैं, but for the height, and I just love how it looks also. तो तुम of course इसको अपनी साड़ी सूट्स किसी के भी साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो. But yeah, this is the last piece of our video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. मैंने काफी टाइम बाद कुछ ऐसे ethnic clutches और footwear try करे Amazon से, and I'm glad that I did because I'm really happy with everything that I got. Let me know your favorite in the comment section below. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, shop from Amazon. सारे links है description में. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.